Hello everyone and welcome back to Calvac Paving. Calvac Paving recently undertook a paving rehabilitation project for the San Harbor South HOA Association located at 906 Beach Park Boulevard in Foster City, California. The existing pavement was over 40 years old and was starting to exhibit severe cracking and base failures. Calvac Paving worked with the client to address and correct their primary concerns. The primary client concerns included continuous access during the milling, repaving operations, cost, schedule, and time management, having a quality surface at the project's end. After reviewing the job site in person, Calvac Paving came up with a range of possible solutions that would meet the client's needs. The solutions included the following: milling and grading operations, tear out and rebuilding of existing valley gutter, parking lot drainage flow. Due to subgrade issues, Calvac Paving proposed milling the existing pavement down 2 inches from the existing surface and laying approximately 2,500 tons of half-inch aggregate hot mix, in addition to the replacement of 1,500 linear feet or 90 cubic yards of concrete valley gutter. Calvac Paving's recommendations and proposed fix were accepted by the client and HOA board. The job was undertaken in phases as to not disrupt the community at one time. The end result of the San Harbor South HOA project looks fantastic. The project went off without any difficulty and was completed within the stated schedule and budget. Calvac Paving is proud to have served the Bay Area for over 45 years with a wide range of paving, concrete, and ADA access planning and implementation solutions. Why gamble with the outcome of your project? Make sure your contractor can get it done right the first time, every time. To learn more about how Calvac Paving can help service your construction job or obtain a quote for services, visit our website at calvacpaving.com.